everybody and welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing our Look Fantastic beauty box for November. You guys, I told you last month, the month before that, this has quickly become one of my favorite affordable subscriptions. So before we jump into the video, as always, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace a hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, play in makeup, talk about makeup, and remember, it's just makeup. This is my happy place, and hopefully this quickly becomes your little happy place where you can forget about the crazy negativity going on around you potentially and just embrace the hot mess and have a good old time. Anyways, guys, over here I do upload Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern time, and then on the weekends at 9 p.m. Eastern time. I have a second channel, HotmessMOMMAMD Vlogs. I upload over there Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 p.m. And of course, I'm still nagging because I'm still trying to get that 10K swipey uppy over on Instagram. And don't forget, my daughter Haley has a channel as well. Anyways, guys, that's all for all my pluggings and go watching and followings and all of that. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So like I said, this is the November Look Fantastic beauty box. They did send this over to me complimentary to unbox and review and give my honest thoughts on. So let's go ahead and talk a little information regarding the November box. So I'm over on the Look Fantastic website. By the way, lots of Black Friday deals that will be happening over there. Okay, so a little information about this particular beauty box. It says our Firecracker Edition beauty box has arrived to help you embrace these colder autumn evenings and have some cozy nights. It's worth $74 and it's yours for just $16. So as always, when it comes to the Look Fantastic beauty box, you can sign up for more subscriptions at one time. So no, I didn't explain that right. So you can sign up for, say, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, or you can go month to month. The longer you sign up for, the least you're going to pay. That's what I was trying to say. I do have a link down below for you guys where it's like the coupon is embedded in there. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just a way you guys can save some money. So I always tell you guys I love these boxes because they are regiftable. Have your kids decorate them. You can decorate them for the holidays. When we take the lid off, we do get a little pamphlet in here. I love their pamphlets because they're not reviews. So their pamphlets are always letting you guys know information about the items you received in the box, as well as there's other like tips in here regarding, you know, beauty things. So here's the inside of the box. Definitely autumn colors. So sometimes we do get full-size items. For the most part, it is like deluxe size samples, and you do get a good amount of them in my opinion. So again, like it said, you can get this box for like $16. The first item I see in here is by This Works. It's a Transit Camera Close-Up Mask Moisturizer and Primer in one. So here's the tube, and as you can see, I mean, well, I don't know if you can tell, but I can tell it is definitely full, which is really nice because sometimes see in other subscriptions it doesn't come all the way completely full. So this is 0.51 fluid ounces. A little information about this item, let me find it in here. Okay, so it says your Transit Camera Close-Up is a mask, moisturizer, and primer all in one, erasing signs of fatigue to help your complexion look more radiant. Alright, so there is that. The next item I see in here is by Philip Kingsley. So this is an up close of the tube. It says it is a bodybuilding weightless conditioner, so that's nice. And again, it just tells you a little information about the item in here. I thought it gave me prices, but in this particular pamphlet, it's not giving me the prices, which I guess isn't that big of a deal. I do have the matching shampoo. So in this you are getting the matching it looks like shampoo and conditioner. So that is nice. I really like that. I like when we get a shampoo and the conditioner so we can test out both lines there, you know. The next item I see here is by Polar. This is Ice Pure Micellar Water. That's what it is. This is actually a really good amount. Like, great if you do travel. I do not, because the Rona, so I'm pretty sure most of us are not. It is fragrance free, so that is really nice. And then moving right along, we do have, this has me really excited. This is really big. Natural and organic detox unpolluted oxygen light cream. It has aloe, green tea, ginkgo biloba, raspberry, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and grapeseed oil. This is a detox oxygen light cream. It's a lightweight face cream that provides intense moisture without leaving your face greasy, and it's formulated, like I said, with green tea, aloe vera, and raspberry. So again, another really large size. Looks like it is it 650 mLs? So that's a really good size, and it actually, like, aesthetically, it looks like something that would be really cute to kind of, for a guest or something, to put in like a cute little basket or something in the bathroom. Okay, moving right along, I do see another item here, and I don't know this one. It's 3INA. I don't know, but it is a lipstick, and it is in the shade 502. It looks really pretty, so maybe. Hold on, we gotta be smarter than the lipstick, Rhonda. Do we turn it? Maybe we do. Okay. Ooh, no scent. Oh, that is so pretty, and it feels like it's really lightweight. Let's put a little on. Okay, that was a little darker on the lips than I was expecting. Let's just blend it out. Oh, it's really comfortable. Like, really comfortable. It's almost like I don't know if I would say a lip oil, but whatever it is, it's definitely very moisturizing. Very lightweight and moisturizing. So it does say the long wear lipstick. It's perfect pout with the help of 3INA maybe lipstick, which has a super lightweight formula, a doe foot applicator for a very easy application, highly pigmented color. This liquid lipstick does dry down to a smudge proof comfortable finish that will last all day long. It is definitely very comfortable. It doesn't feel like it's like sucking out the moisture or anything like that, so I definitely like and appreciate that. And then we do have one more item in here by Lord & Berry, and it does look like it is an eye pencil. Ooh, look at this, guys. This is really pretty. It's a really soft, like golden honey bronze color. This would be really pretty on the waterline. Okay guys, so that is everything that came in this firecracker box by LOOKFANTASTIC. It says, like I said, the LOOKFANTASTIC Beauty Box Edit. So I'm always excited to get these kind of boxes. Like I said, yes, you may be getting some deluxe size samples, but you definitely get a good amount of them. It's not like 5 little items or anything like that. And we are seeing a full size item in here, which of course was this lipstick, which again, very comfortable, and it's not sucking out the life of my lips, but at the same time, it's not like tacky. So I actually really like it, and I do like the color. This 502 is really pretty. So as always, let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, if you guys are interested in signing up and receiving this particular box, check my link down below so you don't miss out on this box. I don't think it's going to be available in December. This is only for November. And let me know you guys' thoughts on this. Do you like the affordability of this box? Are you enjoying the products if you do receive this box? And don't forget, they are having a Black Friday dealio, so make sure to check their website out as well. Also, don't forget, we do have 2 giveaways going on, one over here on YouTube and of course one over on my Instagram. So I'll have both of them linked and listed down below for you guys. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video enough to join the fam. Hit that subscribe button. Check me out on my second channel as well as my daughter's channel. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye guys.